Strap in because this is a long video, but it's going to be worth it when you bring the best pumpkin cream cheese roll to the function this fall. You're starting out with 2/3 of a cup of pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. Big difference. Then we're adding in 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, measure with your heart, 3/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix that up. Once that's mixed, we're going to add in our dry ingredients, which is going to be half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin, which I didn't show you in this video, but I did put in there. And I was making mine gluten-free, so I put in 3/4 cup of oat flour. You can use regular flour. I've used both. I noticed no difference in taste or texture. Then you're going to take this mixture, pour it onto like a 10 by 15 baking pan with parchment paper that is greased. Make sure you grease it. It's going to be really important. And then you're going to bake it on 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. While that's in the oven, we're going to make the cream cheese filling. This is going to be 6 tablespoons of butter, softened. Mine's a little melted. It was fine. With 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. You're going to want to mix that up on its own first, and then add in the stick of cream cheese, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla. And then once that's blended up good, it's probably going to be time for you to take your roll out of the oven. It's going to be really hot. You want to move it from that baking pan. Just take the parchment paper off of the pan to let it cool down. And then you need to roll it like this while it's still hot. It needs to be pretty hot when you do this step. You want to roll it tight because you're going to have to unroll it and fill it later. Let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't let it cool completely. You want it to be a little bit warm. And then you're going to peel it. And as you can see, mine cracked. This happens. It's fine. But that's why I'm showing you that you want to unroll it slowly so that way hopefully it doesn't crack. I think mine was just a little bit undercooked. It probably need like 1 or 2 more minutes in the oven, but it's fine. It's still going to taste great. Now, once you've got all the cream cheese filling in, this is the really hard part. You're going to have to roll it back up and it's going to stick to the parchment paper, which is why it's so important that it's greased because it'll help it a little bit. But yeah, unfortunately you can see mine cracks a little bit. Still going to taste great. Still going to look fine. Just sucks to have to roll it while it's cracked. This is 3 times speed. This took me probably at least like a few minutes. Once I got it all rolled up, I transferred it to some plastic wrap with some powdered sugar on it, wrapped it up in that, and then you got to put it in the fridge for a few hours before you cut it. So when I came back to cut it later, this is that beautiful swirl design on the inside.